After a man gets knocked out for assaulting McDonald's workers with chicken McNuggets, the man's entire family arrives to continue the fight.
Hey, back up, police! Back up. Hey, what's wrong with him? You know me? Pull him down to the ground for me. 10-4, we got one passed out. No. Keep him all the way down to the ground, sweetheart. Put his head down to the ground. All the way, yeah. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, bud. Hey,
Who hit him?
hey, everybody, hush, and we'll get to investigate it. Don't even have an attitude with me right now. Y'all call. So no. Hey, relax. Hold on. Hey, sweetheart, relax for me.
Hold on, man. Oh, good.
You're good. Passed out. You're good. Just relax.
Say, that's good. I'm good. Shut up. I mean, tell your sister, shut up. I'm good, man.
Hey, bro. You passed out.
No, I'm good. No, good.
Alright, you want to sit up? That's fine. Alright. Just hold on. You passed out, diggity dog. Alright, chill out.
I'm good.
You are gonna lose your balance. Can you sit for just a second? Yep. Sit.
I'm good.
Sit.
I'm good.
Sit.
Yeah, please let me up, please.
Hold on, you passed out, dude.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
No, you're not. You passed out when I got here, so have a seat.
I'm good, man.
You got EMS on the way. You need to get checked out, dude.
I'm going home. I'm good.
No. Have a seat, dude. I'm not gonna tell you that. Have a seat.
I'm good, man.
Have a seat.
Y'all straight, bro.
Have a seat.
Y'all good.
You got blood on you, man, and you passed out, okay? Hey, can I get someone to let my officer in? Can you tell me your name?
My name is Travion. I'm straight. More than you have on the Sorry.
Hey, what happened?
Somebody out there saying they didn't see him.
Saying what?
They didn't see him.
Okay. All right. I need somebody to talk to one of the employees. He was passed out right here with blood. So, I mean, he's got a big old knot on it. So, something happened, and he's passed out right here. So, I need someone to talk to somebody right there.
Did any of y'all see what happened? Okay. Do we know where that pregnant lady is? Do we know where the pregnant lady is that he attacked? So he attacked her?
Yeah, she's really here doing the most.
Okay, so who beat him up? Do we know?
No.
Okay. Okay, where that lady, where your sister at? Who? Right here? Oh. What's wrong? You okay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
You don't need an ambulance or nothing? Okay, so you know this dude?
I don't know him. He just came in. I think he's drunk or whatever. So he was like, I'm going to attack him. I'm going to so I walked up to him. I said, stop being disrespectful to him. I guess when he's on his neck, he threw them nuggets at him.
He threw him at who?
He threw it at me.
Did anyone else see him throw the nuggets at you?
Yeah, the camera.
Can you pull the camera up for me?
I can't put, I'm not a man.
Who can pull it up?
Oh, boy. Moving, y'all.
Can you pull the camera up so I can see him throwing the nuggets at her?
You can have a seat on a chair. Hold on, let me bring a chair to you.
Let's sit on the ground. Let's see.
We definitely need to get you checked out because you passed out. At least let the EMS look at you, okay?
I'm alright though. I'm straight.
Listen, you possibly have a concussion, alright? You got a big old knot on your forehead. Can you tell this officer what happened to the best of your ability?
I just came in to get my food to go hard. I ain't trying to do nothing else.
Alright, it's a little bit more than that because you were passed out. So what happened?
I just came in to get my food to go home.
Your head just busted by itself?
So after he threw the nuggets at her, because he's wrong, who knocked him out after that?
One of the whole thing. They want to see the camera. He on the way, on his way. He said he did about 15.
Okay, so he threw the nuggets. So after he threw them, he stood there and kept cussing.
He was still going on and on. He would not shut up.
So he was cussing.
He would not leave.
And he was cussing the pregnant lady.
Yes.
And then Buddy put a hand on him. And where is he at?
I don't know though.
The McDonald's dude that beat him up.
I don't know.
But he's left for the he's left.
I have no. I don't know. He's on probably where he's going. I don't know.
But he's not back here cooking food.
No. I don't see him. I came in here to get my food. That's all.
Was there any verbal altercation that happened between you and employees?
No, because I was outside. First I was outside, and then I came in here to get my food.
So how'd you get the gash on your head? How'd you get the cut on your head?
Because I was in the car.
Oh, okay.
And I came inside here
Okay.
to get my food. I think I know it. So
Here, hold on, over. Ferguson,
So from what everyone's saying, the pregnant lady who was taking his order, he's yelling at her, these are nuggets. She gets the nuggets, gives them to him. He gets the nuggets. Over that. He wouldn't leave. So at some point, one of the workers from back here came around. They got the fight in the McDonald's out, and that's how he wound up busted up. So it looks like he was the primary instigator. Yes, he initiated everything.
All right.
So we got, and I'll get the manager's on the way to deploy the surveillance. Yeah, but he's about 15 minutes away. But we got disorderly conduct on him, simple battery.
He smells intoxicated, so I don't know.
Other contact.
Yeah, when I came up, he was totally outside. So he's got a big old knot right there on his forehead. There was a verbal altercation where an employee took that straw thing and hit him on top of the head. But you can see he's got a little gash right there. So yeah, just check him out, make sure he's good. He's probably not gonna go with y'all, but cover our grounds. Okay.
Continued acting very disorderly, cussing and running. Apparently another guy knocked him out because it was starting to get physical.
So do we know what they want to do? See what they want to do. You want him barred?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you Mama?
I'm the who's he say we? So I need
Oh, okay. Okay. Give him a second. He was knocked out. He got hit right here. So let EMS check him out, make sure he's good. But
so did it happen here?
yes, we're trying to figure out what's going on and what we need to do. Okay.
A McDonald's worker now gets into another verbal argument with this lady as she's walking out.
Okay, but I'm not talking to you, bro. I got somebody on my head. You bro. You bro. I'm saying though, y'all don't want to know what
Hey. That's not sanctioned, okay? Wait for speed on with it.
Oh, why are we yelling? Man. You need to just make sure she's good, so we don't take her to jail.
I'm still coming back here.
Okay. The pregnant lady was like, I'm getting it. He kept cursing at her while she's getting it. She brings it out, and he takes the nuggets and just throw them at her, and then starts cussing everyone else out. So they start cussing him out back. So he refused to leave. So then one of the male guys back there came over and was like, buddy, you need to go. And they got the scuffling, but the McDonald's worker won, and that's how he wound up busted up on the table.
While waiting for the manager to arrive to watch the surveillance footage, the angry female worker from earlier comes outside and begins arguing with the suspect's family.
Are you her mom? Yeah. Can you please take her?
She's not gonna calm down.
If she don't calm down, she may wind up going to jail.
She don't care. She haven't had a record. So I'm telling you, she ADHD. She's not gonna calm down.
You can't take her home somewhere?
She works.
Hey,
She's got to go for disorderly conduct. She don't shut up.
no. I'm
Okay, they're calling it back up. Call it back up. Man, what you like to say for?
You baby.
Okay, you back.
Hey, Williams.
I'm not fighting you at all.
Y'all get him out here. I'm just getting around here. Y'all need to go.
Do you want to back him?
Get him out of here.
He wants you barred. Hey, he wants you barred. You can be barred if you don't leave. Leave right now. Leave.
I'm not fighting you at all, though. I'm not fighting you at all.
Yeah, I'll try to bring it.
Out of here.
Man, come on.
You're doing too much. She's talking.
Yo,
Man, shut in.
I'm not fighting y'all at all.
She's gonna pass you down. Stop yelling.
Okay, here, that's what I'm saying. Y'all sitting here doing this away. I'm not fighting y'all at all. Y'all don't hear her?
Stop.
I'm not.
All right, get in the car.
Y'all locking me up for talking? She talking
It's
too.
disorderly conduct.
Okay, but she ain't talking.
Sit back.
I'm sitting back now. I'm not going to franchise y'all and do y'all job.
You're 17?
Yes. I gotta walk away. This is my.
Man.
This is my.
Man, please go away from me.
Away.
Please go over there.
Walk away.
Hey, I'll get her name. I'm gonna just take her. Yeah, I'm going temporary to Lieutenant to jail.
Oh, here's her airphone.
you got a victory?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, you got that citation for us?
What citation?
The disorderly conduct?
For her?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking her right now.
You can write it?
Yeah, I'll
Okay,
take it.
all right.
When I can get out this parking lot, I'll start talking to you. Okay? I'm trying to get out this parking lot.
That's the man? Yeah. Right here should be fine, just so I can see.
Can I tell you something?
Yes.
You need to learn how to control your emotions.
I control my emotions.
You weren't doing it there?
Sure.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Do you think I want to take you to jail when we already got a dude up in there that's throwing nuggets at a pregnant lady?
That's what
Do you think I want to do this?
I know.
Like, you're not working with us. I begged you. I said, please,
Okay, man.
go home or go in the office. Please, I begged you. And you just kept going. You need to control your emotions, okay? At least I gave you the respect of begging you for like 15 minutes, then putting you in handcuffs using my hands without having to fucking use a weapon and bust you upside the head like a lot of these motherfuckers I be doing. But you don't respect me back because I begged you just relax, control your emotions. We come to work, we don't want to put motherfuckers in handcuffs, but work with us.
I want you to sign on the X citation for disorderly conduct, okay? Thank you.
So where's so with what we saw on video surveillance, he was throwing food at the employees. He almost went behind her. That's why an employee hit him because he's about to turn physical between him and the employees. So that's when he got hit. So he's getting charged with the disorderly conduct because they instructed him to leave. He didn't leave. So he just got to go to court for that. It's just a citation.
Overeating brought his food to the house.
And the
So
floor.
he came here looking for food, but his food was delivered to the house.
And I think that's why he got upset. So that's what started the verbal altercation, and then it almost ensued into a physical. And that's when they hit him because they're just like, "Hey, bro, like we gave you multiple times, and you're coming over here trying to be physical. He's just gonna get cited because we could have charged him with simple battery for throwing the chicken nuggets at the girl, because that can still be considered simple battery. But to make it easier tonight, and with what's going on with him, I said disorderly conduct. Call it a day, and he's just going to be barred here, so he can't come back to this McDonald's at all. So he's barred from here for 2 years. Whenever he comes home, just remind him of that so he doesn't go to jail for a stupid criminal trespass. Okay? Okay. All right.
We got a million people out there. We had a crime scene. We got a dude bust upside the head. The EMS lady is saying, I'm taking him to the hospital. And you up in here, we was good. We was taking him to jail. We was going to get names, do a report. We was on our way. But you just kept going. You can't do this. You cannot do this stuff in public. And if it wasn't me, it was going to be someone else. And if it ain't tonight, it's going to be next week because you got to fix this. You just as long as Buddy throwing nuggets at the pregnant lady.
Well, it turns out throwing nuggets at a pregnant woman isn't just stupid, it's also the quickest way to get you knocked out in a McDonald's. Now, you know things are definitely going downhill when you can't even go to a McDonald's and have a Happy Meal with your kid without worrying about things like this popping off. Because we've all been there, craving for a specific food that's been in our mind all day. But imagine going into a McDonald's, you order your food, and for the first time in history, they actually get the fries perfect. You sit down, and instead of enjoying your food, you have to deal with this. And I can speak from experience. Police cannot stand when they walk into a scene like this because it's chaotic, and on most occasions, it's difficult to get straight answers of what happened. We got a man who supposedly passed out, but honestly, as soon as I laid eyes on him, I could tell he was probably knocked out because he was bleeding pretty bad. And I gotta tell you guys, this is the prime reason why I started to take my lunch while on duty, because as a cop, you might walk into a restaurant thinking you're gonna have your 30-minute lunch break, but many times you don't get to take your lunch break, especially if you walk into situations like this. But as the police were doing their investigation, it appeared like it was just business as usual, because these employees just kept working and bagging up the orders. Society is so numb to this stuff now. But this is the hard part for police, because most of the employees likely know what actually happened, but only one of them actually told police who put hands on this guy. Now, I've dealt with these crazy calls so many times. We arrive and start to piece everything together, but for unknown reasons, people have to keep arguing, which is what we saw here. And when you have family showing up, it always has the potential to get worse. And I've been where this cop has been, trying to explain logic to prisoners sitting in the back after we tried to avoid arresting people. They don't listen, and they try to make the police the villain. Remember, one of the most difficult things a person will learn to do in life is controlling yourself. But in the end, what started as an order for a 6-piece chicken nugget and then throwing it at a pregnant woman got him a 3-piece combo instead with no sauce. And sadly for the woman employed, she got to finish the rest of her shift at the police station. Guys, please don't let this be you. The male who threw chicken McNuggets at the pregnant woman and the female McDonald's worker who wouldn't stop yelling and arguing were both charged with disorderly conduct. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.